So the key value I find in the summit is bringing together these senior public sector officials for a session where they can collaborate with each other and share best practices and ideas and really focus in on the key issues that are affecting public sector.
The theme of this year's event is innovating in challenging times, because we believe that in difficult times you need to innovate more, not less.
Technology without changing attitudes, mindsets, organizations, modes of operation is not going to work. And that's why innovation is the key word today. Because innovation is the driver which is able to make it possible that we can use technology in a way that it is really creating results.
The speakers this morning for the first session that was so uniquely loaded with information that's useful to me as a minister for decision making and for policy.
What was interesting is interaction with people who had the same kind of problems but in different countries with different cultures, and the networking is a very good value.
The most valuable parts for me are the insights it gives me, new workforces, new people coming in, digital natives they're mentioning, and how to change culture, processes and techniques to get in those people and to work with those people forward for the future of our government.
If we can empower people in the community or in other hospitals to actually act and deal with patients at the level of a specialist, we can actually redesign the entire healthcare system.
The aspects of this summit, and it's the third time I attend the summit, are the international company of all very well-informed decision makers coming with very intelligent solutions to world problems.
We have the possibility, spending time with customers, to brainstorm with them and also to participate to their brainstorming, because after having heard ideas from the speakers, then they debate themselves, we participate to those debates and we add ideas, we understand much better their challenges.
We have to, from a technology point of view, on the network or on the internet, integrate video voice data seamlessly, where you can go from one modality of communication into another modality of communication. So the internet in the future is going to move from being a messaging platform to a collaboration platform.
On the plenaries you get the big ideas. You go into the workshop to discuss specific ideas. Then you have the dinners and the train rides to do some networking, and then the Nobel adds a very nice social touch.
At Cisco, one of our key values is to promote innovation among individuals, companies and the public sector. And we believe the Nobel Prize and the Nobel Concert really reinforce our involvement and our belief in those values.
The summit creates relationships that people take out of the summit back into their day-to-day lives. They keep the connections going and good things happen out of it.